What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing today? What's going on, you guys? I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here. You're the best. Thank you so much. How you doing, you guys? Hey, it's your SkinnyBoyRandy. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Let me blow my screen up so I can see myself a little bit better. Okay, because I want y'all to see what I can see. So, hi, you guys. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Mwah. Yes, you guys. Today, there I go. About to forget the preliminaries. Don't forget to check out my SkinnyBoyRandy Gardening with Beginners and Experts are welcome. No, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, Beginners and Experts are welcome. That's my Facebook channel as well, you guys. So don't forget to go over there and check out my Facebook channel. Leave a comment, join our group. We have a great time, and it's a Facebook group, you guys, not a Facebook channel, I'm sorry. But go over there and join that group. It's a great group. We have so much fun. We share so much information, and I guarantee you anything that I can't answer, put it in on the group, and you'll get an answer. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks for being here. So today, we're going to talk about starting our fall gardening. Again, we're still on our fall gardening series, you guys. We're about to get ready to have some more food growing all fall, because we ain't got no money to be going to the grocery store buying that stuff that we grow ourselves. We ain't got no money, okay? So today, I just want to talk to you about starting your fall garden in containers. Everybody doesn't have a yard, you guys. Everybody's not going to be planting in the garden outside. Some people are going to be planting on patios, decks, porches, front porches, inside the house. Who knows? So we want to make sure that we include everybody. The first video I did was on starting some seeds in the little trays. So go back and look at that video. Second video was planting directly in the soil. This video, we're going to talk about planting in containers. You can plant in all different types of containers, you guys. This is a grow bag. These are just Dollar Tree pots. Let me make sure you can see everything. I like to get you down in the action. Get you some cocoa core. You should have all your supplies. We did a video on different supplies we're gonna need. Here's some worm castings. Now this soil I've already mixed together. It's some of my last year's soil, and I just amended it. And amended means taking some good, adding to the old, and making it new. Okay, you make it work. So that's how we did this. So this is just some regular gardening soil. I poured in some seed starting mix because I realized I didn't have any vermiculite or perlite in my garage. So I know seed starting mix has plenty of that in there, so I put that in there. So this is just some soil, gardening soil mixed with a little manure. If you don't have any manure, you can order compost, chicken manure, not compost, chicken manure, or, you know, different types of manures. I think they call it chicken compost, Charlie's Chicken Compost. Yes, you guys. And just mix all that in there. And as usual, when doing containers, I give it a sprinkle of peroxide and some neem oil. And this is a spray, but I've already treated this soil. So you would just spray it. Now, if you have the concentrated version, that's even better because you can just mix it in really, really good. So, sprinkle in a little worm castings because you're trying to make your soil similar to Mother Nature's soil. Since you're going to be growing in containers and it's not going to be getting the regular worms in the Mother Nature soil. And then just mix that on down in there like that. Yes, you guys. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I love you. Make sure you get your SkinnyBoyRandy t-shirt, you guys. Look down in the description box. We have 4 different kinds now. That's amazing. Thank you guys for getting my channel growing, and we're steadily growing. I love you. So once you get your soil all mixed together, you want to think about, okay, what do I want to plant? This is going to be sitting on my deck. Okay? And I love lettuce. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this a lettuce bed. And I'm going to start off with some mustards. Now, we're making sure we plant things that are going to grow in the fall, you guys, before that first frost really hits, which ours is forecasted at October the 30th. Today is August the, 18th, 19th? Y'all know what I mean. So we want to plant things that are going to be matured. Always read your seed packet. See, this says 21 days to harvest. That's not long at all. We have about 70 days until our first frost, you guys. So anything on your seed packet that says they can grow within 30 to 60 days, go for it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this a rainbow lettuce bed. So this is some giant red mustard, which is a green. And I'm going to sprinkle that in the middle area. You don't have to be perfect, you guys, because these will bloom and blossom and take off like crazy. I mean, you'll have lettuce everywhere. Okay? So I'm just going to sprinkle that right in the middle. And then all I do for my lettuce, I just mix it in the soil. You know, you don't have to be perfect with lettuce. So that's right here. I'm going to use my little fingers to make a line to show where I put the red. Now I'm going to put some black seeded Simpson. And these are my Valley Green seeds. And see, lettuce seeds are so tiny, you guys. That's why you just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. So let's set that here. Like I said, we're going to make a rainbow effect. Put all those in there. Just like that. And we're going to get some of our butter crunch. And then, you guys, the good thing about this, you can always thin these into your outside garden if you're going to do an outside garden and you just want to start on your deck or patio. So let's go on the other side of our red and put another set of green. Let's use our hand to mark off our area, because once I plant it, you guys, I just let it go. I don't sit there and watch it and be like, oh, I'm supposed to have this over there or that's supposed to be over there. We're just going to let it go. We're going to let it go and let it grow. Okay, okay. I love you guys. Thanks so much for being here. All right, let's see what else we're going to put in here with this. Let's go ahead and we did the butter crunch. Let's throw in some. We want to plant some things that we can thin too, you guys. So I'm going to put some spinach seeds over here in this corner. Then I'm going to put some Swiss chard over there, because I do want to have those in my garden this year. So I can start them from seed in this container. Okay. Spinach. These seeds look like pods, so it may be more spinach than I think in here. So I'm just going to sprinkle those over here in the corner and cover them up. Cover everything up. Then I'm going to throw this Swiss chard down here, and I can thin that out. You want to make sure you're giving your vegetables time to grow, you guys, and be ready to put into the ground in a couple of weeks. Okay. We're going to sprinkle that on like that. And I love my cocoa coir. You guys know I love my cocoa coir, which holds a lot of moisture. So always go in, sprinkle some cocoa coir over there like that. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just going to help your seedlings hold good moisture. Okay. And we're just going to wait and watch these come up. Like I said, you guys, you can start you some lettuce in containers like this. And we're going to watch these grow together. Just get your little seedlings and sprinkle. And that is so nice when they come up in a container like this size. It looks so nice on your deck, patio, or porch, because it's going to be so full of lettuce and it'll just come out. And you don't want to, well, you don't have to let it grow to its full size. You cut it as it grows, you guys. When it gets about that tall, cut it and use it in your salads. That's what you do with that. And there you have it, you guys. That's all it takes to start your fall garden in containers. Just make sure you have your soil mixture together. If you're worried about what to use in your soil, just go over to my channel. Get you some containers like this from the Dollar Tree. Fill it with the soil mixture that we talked about. And then we simply are going to just water. I have to put some more water in here. Yep. I'm just going to water that cocoa coir down some because my soil was pre-moistened. And we're still growing in summer, you guys.
So we want to be careful with our seeds. We don't want them to get burnt or scorched because we're still in summer. Let's not forget. But we can be ahead of the game and get these things going. And that's very saturated there. It's in a shaded area right now. It's late afternoon, which will give it time to just sit and settle. And I suggest when you have one, like a container like this, pull it from the sides when moving it so it doesn't crack open like that. Okay, and sit it where you're going to have it sitting. This is going to be sitting on my deck, so I'm not going to transport it because I can't carry the camera and carry this big container at one time. But once I sit it on the deck, that's where it's going to stay, so we won't be, breaking up the soil in our grow bags. That's the one thing that kind of draws me back from the grow bags when moving them. So I suggest filling it up where you're going to have it. I did it right here for the video. I love you guys. You're the best, so I'll do anything for you. So there you have it, you guys. Starting your gardening in containers. It's very simple and easy. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I try to answer as many as I can. I love you guys. You are absolutely the best. Don't forget to get a t-shirt if you can. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. You're the best.